Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
In today's video, we're going to be going ahead and doing this gorgeous pink, kind of neutral and gold, glittery, spooky set. I mean, she's not too spooky, but we needed something cute but Halloweeny, so that is what we're going in with. So I'm coming in first with my clear easy tips and I'm going to apply these to the nails. I'm using the instant nail glue to do that because it's the best nail glue ever. Like seriously, you'll absolutely love it and be obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, apply all the tips really quickly, and this is how they are looking once they are on the nails. Next, I'm just going to run through a couple of the products. I'm going to be using this pure pink because damn, she cute. And get a look at this pot because it's going to be the last time you see her. Maybe not. You might see it again because I need to use it up. But we have new pots launching with gorgeous lilac lids, you guys, for our core powders, and I cannot wait. I'm going to do a full video on that, like a little soft release, sharing them with you guys because I'm super excited to finally make this change. As always, I'm using products from Glitter Planet and they are absolutely stunning. So this one is called BADDIE. It's a pre-mixed glitter acrylic and I'm going to be pairing that with pure pink. I showed you that earlier. I don't know why I showed it earlier and then I'm showing it again. I don't know. I just didn't do the swatch earlier. And then I'm doing metallic light gold, which is this gorgeous multi-mix gold glitter, which I just thought was really stunning. I feel like pink and gold go together really, really pretty. And with pure pink being kind of this soft, muted, neutrally kind of pink, perfect. It's what I was going for. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I trimmed down my nail tips into this coffin and that is what the easy tips are absolutely perfect for. So they do an absolutely amazing stiletto shape, but also perfect for a long coffin, or if you did it a little bit shorter, perfect for a tapered square, which I absolutely love. Anyway, we're coming in and we are applying pure pink to the cuticle area. We are blending that product down the nail. And once I finish doing that, we're coming in with BADDIE at the free edge. And then I'm going to blend that back up into the pure pink. And it's going to give us this gorgeous glitter fade. Also guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you could go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the description box down below. Let me know whether you are a new subscriber or whether you've been here for a long time, because I know I have. Oh my gosh guys, how cute is this? Honestly, I would literally wear a full set of this design just on all of my nails without anything on. Honestly, it's so cute and sparkly. I think I could do it and I think I'd manage, you know, like without having to add anything extra. It's like simple glam but sparkly, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we're going to move on to the next nail. So this is going to be a complete nail of pure pink because we're going to be coming in with the little ghosty on this one. So we wanted to keep it quite simple so that our nail art can pop and just have it as a cute base for that nail art that we are going to add a little bit later on in the video. So yes, we're going to go ahead and apply that. And how is everyone doing? I feel like I've not uploaded for a little minute. It's been a couple of weeks. I swear I say I'm going to get into this really good schedule and then something happens. Like we literally all got the flu. I've still got a mild headache and it's been like a whole week. It has not been great. Like seriously, I don't know if anybody else got it or if it's going round, but all of us were sick, ill, dying. My head was throbbing constantly. Like every time you bend over, my head was like, oh, my brain was going to explode out of my head. So that is why we didn't have any video last week. I just couldn't get on top of everything and I had to rest. So that's where I've been, resting, literally resting, or at least trying to. You don't really get to rest when you're a mother. Okay, so we're taking care of the cuticle area, making sure to tidy that up, make sure that acrylic application is as smooth as possible so you don't have to come in and do too much filing. Like the less filing you have to do, the better. Over time that filing is going to like start hurting your wrists, your hands and your fingers. So make sure, guys, that you are kind of doing exercises and, you know, stretching out your fingers and your wrists before and after each set, just to look after yourself. And also you can invest in an e-file if you wanted as well. Alrighty, let's carry on with this. So we're coming in on the next nail. This is going to be our one where we apply that metallic light gold glitter. So I'm doing a nice base of pure pink on the bottom basically, and I'm going to layer up the design. I'm going to add some BADDIE glitter acrylic underneath, and then on top of that I'm adding the metallic light gold, and I'm just kind of swooshing it across the center of the nail just to add a little bit of something to this design, bring that gold in there. I didn't really plan this, you know, guys, I don't really plan my sets. Like, it's very, very rare that I actually plan a set. I'll generally just pick out my colors and freestyle it every single time. Sometimes it doesn't work out well and it literally annoys the heck out of me, because I'm just so frustrated that I couldn't make anything. But most of the time I come up with something and I love it, or at least it's fine. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I was kind of, you know, making sure that everything flowed, that all the colours were spread out evenly, that the design was going to kind of work together and not be too unbalanced. So yeah, that's what we're doing on this nail. We're adding that light gold. Look how pretty that is together. So pretty, so classy, a little bit spooky. So now that I've finished applying that nail, we're going to move on to this one, and we are going to be doing basically the same as the pointer. We're applying that base of pure pink, then we're going to come in with the glitter. I really, like I said, I wanted to create a cute, like, soft Halloween nail. You know, as you can see from the thumbnail and the beginning of the video, the ghosty is just super cute and sweet. Like, we aren't going for scary. We aren't going for crazy. We're just going for something very wearable and that can suit you if you wanted to do this design like through the whole of October, even September. I know September's basically ended, but you know, it's going to last you. It's not going to be like too over the top, but it's a little bit of something that's just like cutesy and Halloweeny and beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I've finished applying that, we are going to come in and encapsulate all of the nails with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on all the nails. I'm only going to show you guys one because this process takes a little hot minute, and it's basically the same for every nail. Obviously, just some glitter nails might need a bit more, you know, work out the proportions and all of that good stuff. And yeah, we're capping all the nails, then I'll be back. Also, you guys, I don't know if some of you saw, but I am taking a little bit of a social media break. I am active on most platforms, I guess, so it's not really like a full break, but it was mostly from Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to be back there. I'm hoping in October. I think it's been a couple of weeks now, or a week. I was just feeling a little bit burnt out and needed to recharge so that I could get myself together and find my creativity again, my own unique style, without being like too influenced by other people's art. Because sometimes as an artist, when you get like this urge to create things, sometimes you can look at other people's work and think that yours isn't good enough, or what you create isn't it. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've took a step back from Instagram because it was a little too much for me, and I will be back there in October possibly. But yeah, I'm still active here on YouTube, and you can always find me on Facebook as well, where I upload a lot, if not all of my content. So yeah, find me on Facebook at Ninja Nail Fairy, because that is where it is at. So now I filed and buffed the nails, I dusted everything off, and I've also buffed them as well to take out most of the scratches. I don't buff them to like a super high shine finish, I just like to get rid of like a lot of the deeper scratches. I'm coming in with the white gel paint and my black gel paint and creating a little ghosty. I think she turned out super cute, and yeah, she could have been better, but I think she looks cute. I cured that in the light, and then I'm coming in with the Silly String Spider Gel in white. I thought it'd give the perfect little spooky touch to the set, so I'm doing that on the ghost finger and then on this pinky finger as well, where I'm just doing it on the tip with no other nail art. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to come in with the pink quartz crystals. These are glass crystals and they are so stunning. I love like the pastelness of them. I just think they're so, so pretty. I'm using that with the micro beads in silver, and I'm using the fluid gel to apply them. So I'm just going to do a bit of a crystal arrangement where we are going from the cuticle down the nail. So as you can see, I'm just using the nozzle on the fluid gel to apply that in the precise spot where I'm going to be applying my crystals, and then using the wax stick, I'm going to go ahead and get that applied. And again, I didn't really have anything in mind that I was going to do. I just knew I wanted to add the micro beads along with a crystal placement because I feel like it really makes them look more fancy. Do you know what I'm saying? It properly like fancies up your crystal placements. It just looks more intricate. So I just did it as I went along and I felt like it looked really cute and suited the set. So I was really happy with how that turned out. Once I finished applying them, I cured that in the light to freeze them in position. And then I'm coming in with my super gloss, top coating everything, finishing it all off, and this is the final look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully you liked this video and how this set turned out. If you recreate it, don't forget to tag me, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.